Welcome to day 2 of this 5-day yoga series for back health and posture. Yesterday we focused on awareness, connecting with your breath, and learning how gentle movements support your spine. Today we will build on that foundation by improving mobility and flexibility throughout the entire back. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and stop any point if something does not feel right for your body. Let's start. Come into a comfortable seated position. Sit on a cushion or folded blanket if that helps you sit more upright. Rest your hands on your thighs and gently lengthen your spine as if growing taller from the crown of your head. Take a slow inhale through the nose. Exhale and soften your shoulders. Now bring your right hand on the floor beside you. Inhale, lift your left arm up. As you exhale, gently bend to the right. Take 2 slow breaths here, creating space along the left side of your body. Keep both sitting bones grounded. Feel the stretch along the side of the waist and into the ribs. Inhale to come back to the center. Switch the sides. Move slowly, allowing the breath to guide the stretch. 2 breaths here. Side bending helps improving flexibility in the muscles that support the spine and rib cage. That's good. Come back. Return to a neutral seated position, placing one hand behind you and the other on your thigh. Inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, gently twist to the right. Each inhale creates a space, and each exhale allows a gentle deepening. Keep the spine tall rather than forcing the twist. Imagine rotating from the center of your torso, not just the shoulders. Slowly come back to the center and repeat on the other side. Take slow, steady breaths. Twist help nourish the spine discs and release tension in the middle and lower back. That's good. Now come onto your hands and knees. Curl your toes under and slowly lift your hips up and back into a downward dog. Bend your knees slightly if needed. The focus here is not straight legs, but a long spine. Press the floor away with your hands and allow the chest to move gently towards the thighs. This pose gently compresses the spine and improves circulation. That's good. Lower yourself down onto your back. Draw both knees into the chest. Wrap your arms around your legs and gently rock side to side. Let the lower back relax into the floor. This movement massages the muscles around the spine and helps release built-up tension in the lumbar area. Breathe naturally and allow your body to soften. That's good. If possible, bring your legs up against a wall. If not, simply extend your legs up. Rest your arms by your sides, palm facing up. Close your eyes. Allow the weight of your legs to release downward. Feel the lower back gently settle. Breathe slowly and naturally. This position calms the nervous system and supports circulation, which is especially helpful after spinal movement. Gently bend your knees and roll onto your side before coming up to a seated position. Take a moment to notice how your spine feels now, lighter, looser, or more relaxed. Sit up whenever you're ready. This kind of gentle mobility practice can make a real difference when done consistently. Tomorrow we will focus on building gentle strength in the core to better support your back. Thank you for practicing with me and see you tomorrow. Namaskar.